Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your earbuds Xiaomi OpenWear. The touch areas on your earbuds located at the back side. Right here we have Xiaomi and this one is touch areas. Firstly I will show you gestures, and then I will show you how to change it, how to customize it, because I don't like so much how it's set by default. So let me play some song. By default single press disabled, so we can start with a double press, and if you double press at your left or right earbud you will play or pause the song. 1, 2, just pause it, 1, 2, and I enable it. Then we have triple press, and with a triple press also by default on your left or right earbud you will play next track. 1, 2, 3. It works. Now we have also press and hold, and by default if you press and hold at your left or right earbud you will call voice assistant. I have iOS, so I will call Siri. If you have Android you will call Google Assistant, or maybe Gemini if you set up Gemini. So press and hold. And as you can see, Siri awake. Now, also we have connection button at the charging case, and if you put your earbuds to the charging case and press and hold this button for at least like 2-3 seconds, you will enter to prank mode, and you know it by the LED light what located on the front side. Right here it start blinking white. And then you can press and hold this connection button 10 seconds when your earbuds inside the charging case, and you will perform a factory set. If you don't know how, you can check a video at this channel. Now, how to customize these gestures? You need to open Xiaomi Earbuds application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see the same menu. You need to go to the gestures, and now we can set it. So as you can see we have a default one, it do not set for that single press, and you can add, let's say, volume control. So for the left earbud I just add volume down, for the right volume up. Now let's check it, is it works. So I press one time at my right earbud, and as you can see at this widget I increase the volume. Now let's try to volume down, and I need to press one time at the left earbud. And look at this widget, again I just lower the volume. You can also add to play previous track. You can add for the single press and for the press and hold to take a photo. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!